This is DEWALT line laser. It is self-leveling, cross-line. It gives a red beam. So I'll be using this for so many years. It's been dropped. It's been in the rain. It's been used anywhere in the dusty environment. It still holds up really good. And in this video, I'm going to show you the function, how to use it, and how to mount it. So let's check the battery. It only uses 3 AA battery. It's so easy, and you can get the battery everywhere. And to be honest, it lasts pretty long for 3 batteries. And to use it is super easy. They only have 2 lines. And the first line is the horizontal line. So you put this on that, we're looking for the horizontal. And you push this line, so it gives it a cross, right? And then if you just only need one, you want to turn off the horizontal, you push that again. So there's only vertical line. So you push the button again, nothing, just close it. And here's the little thing that I show you. If the battery is not enough, it will flashing, and that's it. That's how easy to use it. And it will be self-leveling. For example, I push the 2 lines, I put it here. You see, it's just find it. And if I tilt it, I will flash, means that it's not leveling. So you come back, still flashing. And you put here, you see, just after you put here, I will looking for it a little bit, right? And now it's stable. Now let me show you how to use this thing. Here, it got a magnetic, and you can put this on, right? So if it's super tight, so if you anywhere you got metal, you can put this on as well. And here it got very strong like a clip. If you got something thin, you can put this in and it will clamp on it. And if there's nothing you can clamp, but you probably got lots of wood. So you see here's a hole. You can put a screw on, just drill a screw right here. You just need to drill a screw on the wood, and it will hang this thing on the wall like this. So the red beam is very good for use indoors. If you're going to use outdoors, especially in a sunny day, it's not ideal. So usually in a sunny day, you just can't see it clear, but still can see it. You're gonna be like really looking for it. In a sunny day, it's good for the green beam, but you know the green beam consumes lots of power. For the red beam, you can use a battery for use like a week, but for the green beam, like just like 1-2 days, probably just dead. And I love this product. It's very stable and never have any issues. I hope this video is helpful. Thank you for watching.